I have about $672 on PayPal. That is great. You know, I have YouTube, welcome back again to Nenduboy channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to turn your notification button on. This is a very pretty cool channel and I'm a cool person, I'm a happy person, I'm a people person. But let's get into this video. So today's video, guys, I'm going to be doing a video on Instagram. As you guys see the title, how to make about $1,000 a day under 5 minutes. For you guys that have a lot of followers, or you have followers about 1,000 to 10,000 followers, you can start making money on your Instagram and start generating income for yourself. It does not matter how old you are or anything. You just need to have a PayPal or have a Cash App, and some people will be paying you through this app for advertisement, for promotion, for helping people to grow their followers, for helping brands and companies to grow their products. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you the method and most of the ways that I make money. By the way, this week on Instagram, I made about I'm close to $2,500. One of the ways I earn those money, I sold a lot of Instagram accounts. And most people, I have a lot of Instagram accounts that I grow and I sell it, I turn around and flip it. So I sold a lot of Instagram accounts and I help people grow their Instagram followers. You know, people hit me up, DM me, say, oh yeah, I want to grow my followers, and I help them grow their followers and they get happy with the result that they're getting every time. So they make, I help a lot of people grow their followers on Instagram, even companies too hitting me up to grow their Instagram. But that's, you know, me doing this video. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to grow Instagram followers. One of the ways you can grow, number one way you can grow Instagram followers is by you know, reaching out to brands, you know, talking to brands, telling them, hey, you know, I can do a promotion for you, I can promote your brands for you and put the words out there. Because a lot of brands need a lot of promotion in order for them to generate income, in order for them to people buy this stuff. When people like you, they want to buy, they want to wear what you like, they want to wear what you wear. So, you know, people want to copy you because they like you. So that's one of the ways you can be making money, by contacting brands and trying to do promotion and trying to work with brands. And another way you can make money on Instagram is there's a lot of apps that you can sign up. One of the apps that I use is called Indian Hash. Indian Hash app is an app called Indian Hash. I make about $560 per picture on my promotion. As you guys can see on the screen, I have the pictures uploaded. This is one of the pictures that I uploaded. I made a lot of money through this promotion. So that's one of the ways you can make money. This app called Indian Hash. I will have the link down below. I will have the name of the app down below. I'll try to get the link if I can. I will have the name of the app down below. You can find it on Apple Store. That way you can start generating income. And I think you need to have about 1,000 followers to get on Indian Hash. I think 1,000 to 10,000 followers. I don't know their requirement, but that's a great way to make money on Instagram. And the third way to make money on Instagram is, you know, is a lot of have your email on your Instagram. You know, when you're on your bio, you need to put that you do promotion and you promote brands, and you have your email, your business email, so people can contact you, because a lot of people is going to be looking at your Instagram. And Instagram now is a very big platform. A lot of people make thousands of dollars every day on Instagram. It's not a joke, and a lot of people make a lot of money on it. So you need to put your email on Instagram, take it serious, take it as a business thing on Instagram. So that way you're gonna have a lot of brands sending you emails about promotion and stuff. That's a good way to make money. And guys, I'm gonna be showing you proof on the ways that I make this money. I'm gonna have my other camera right here, turn it on. I'm gonna log into my PayPal real quick, try to see my phone. Okay, trying to see if I can get, I don't know if this is gonna, okay guys, okay, let me have it like this, So guys, I'm gonna be showing you my PayPal account, and I'm gonna be showing you guys on how I make my money on PayPal. I'm just gonna show you what I put out yesterday on Instagram. So this is my PayPal right now, because I send a lot of money out in and out on PayPal. Right now I have, you guys see, I have about $600 $672 on PayPal. That is.
I have about $672 on PayPal. That is great. You know, I have a lot of transactions. I'm going to show you guys a transaction that I'll make on PayPal. You guys can see this is the transactions. People sending me money 24/7. I mean, guys, this is not a joke. I mean, yeah, I get money every now and then. Every time coming to my PayPal, people sending me money. So,
guys, I hope you guys get this information and do something good with it. Start making money. You know, I like to share this information to everybody on Instagram. Hope you guys love this video. If you love my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. We're about to hit 15,000. My goal is to get 20,000 no time soon. And I know I'm gonna get 20,000 because I put out good videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn your notification button on, and don't forget to like this video. Let's get it, man. Don't forget, grind to shine. You grind, you shine, you eat. And don't forget, man, let's get it, man. Lil Mike in the building. Peace out.